everyone, my name is Kelly Gallagher, and we're here at IMTS 2024 in Chicago. We're here and excited to show you how digital manufacturing helps companies to achieve their goals with technologies like AI, CNC machining, 3D printing, cloud-based solutions, and more. And the next stage, let's learn how we use NXCAM and Run My Virtual Machine to enable the definition of probing tasks to perform measurements.
Hi, I'm Eric McGray, and we're here at IMTS showcasing our transfer case project. At this point, you've seen the 3D generative design, the additive manufacturing, and we're focusing on the CNC programming. So it's at this step where we're going to be able to program using NXCAM all of the machining operations for cutting this part. We're going to do our G-code simulation and our Run My Virtual Machine to simulate as accurately as possible what the machine is going to do. Once we've done that, we're going to have a completed cut part after we've run it on the machine, and then we're going to take you to the CMM inspection where we do programming for inspection of the part.